You can create this digital clock in MS Excel within minutes. Let's say you are creating any dashboards, and if you wanted to add a clock on it, this video will be useful for you. First, you have to select the cell that your clock has to be displayed. And after that, type the formula equal now followed by empty brackets. This will show you the current time and date. So let's align this to be on the center of the cell. Now I am decorating this with the font Digiface White that will make it exactly look like a digital clock. And play with some colors as per your preference. After that, we have to change the format to show the only time. To do that, go to the number format and select the time option. And in that option, select the time format which shown in the bottom of the list and click OK. And here's where the main part begins. After doing all the things I said before, press Ctrl plus F11 keys so it will open the Visual Basic coding window. In that window, click Insert and insert a module. In that newly inserted module, type this displayed code and run it. After that, close the window. And here we go. You have finally created the running digital clock. To help me creating these kinds of videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.